Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to off lock home screen layout in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and go to lock screen and wallpaper. Now press on home settings. Here you can see lock layout. If you want to off lock home screen layout in your Android phone, you just have to turn up the button. That's it. So this is how to off lock home screen layout in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.